Hello, my dear students. This is your professor, Dr. Sayed. You are welcome to the online digital learning program. Today I am going to teach you about surface engineering. This is another electric spraying process. This process is a quite different process where we are not using any gases here, that is oxygen, acetylene, propane, but we are using electric supply here, just like in arc welding machine. Here we are using two rolls of the material which we will have to spray it, either aluminum, zinc or whatever it may be. These two wires comes in rolls. From the roll, the wire is fed into the gun. At the face of this gun, these two wires comes and get in contact, and it will produce arc, heat, and the wire will be melted out. Here we use electric arc as heating source, and we use two combustible wires, that is having a higher deposition rate, and we use wires on motor drive feed rolls and insulated from each other meet at tip of the torch. After energizing the torch wires on contact, they will produce arc. Arc melts metal, and a jet of air, it carries it to the substrate. So when the two metals gets heated and melted, the air will move this melted material to the job, that is substrate. We can use wires as large as 1.5 millimeters. We can spray soft materials for corrosion resistance, that is zinc, aluminum, etc. This is a special plasma arc deposition process. This is a costly process. In this process we are using powder. The consumable powder will be melted and atomized in plasma. Here we are using tungsten electrode and argon gas. The maximum temperature in this process is 28,000 centigrade degrees. This process is mostly used for ceramics and other strong materials. Now you are seeing a pipeline. You can see this pipeline is coated with ceramic coating. This ceramic coating was done by plasma arc process. This is a paper machine roll which you are seeing in this slide. This roll has been coated by nickel chromium with plasma arc machine. This machine consists of two flame guns. This is to work very fast. We are using here two guns. This is a part of an excavator, that is, it has been PTA coated tooth of an excavator with the material of nickel base coatings. This is a gas turbine. You can see here the blades of the gas turbine has been coated with thermal coating. Now we can see the evaluation of the coatings. Evaluation means we have coated a part with some material which is we needed it. After coating it, we need that the coating is excellent with good properties. So how we will know it? After coating, we can do one destructive testing and another one is non-destructive testings. In this destructive testing, we can do the tensile shear test. After doing this tensile shear test, we can find if it is a good coating, the bond strength as greater than X, that is tensile strength of epoxy. If it is non-destructive testing, we can do it visual inspection. We can see the porosities, impurities, cracks, etc. We can also do the ultrasonic testing inspection and thermal imaging also for this product. We have seen different processes of metal spray coating. Now you should know the application of metal spray coatings, where we can use it. We can use it where wear resistant coatings against abrasion and erosions. We can use this process where corrosion resistant coatings. We can use this process where heat resistance coatings. We can use this process where we need thermal insulation or conduction coatings. We can also use this process in electromagnetic shielding and medical coatings.